Affiliate marketing strategies for surefire success every time. In an odd sense of the word, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest business partnerships to undertake and can be most beneficial to those without an established background with a profitable company. Through this market and the advice offered in this video, you can come away with some nice profits and never need to buy or touch a single product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. If you have a rapport with the people who visit your website, you can boost the performance of affiliate marketing by making personal endorsements. This does not work for all webmasters. If you run the kind of site where visitors get to know and trust you, though, your visitors may respond well to an honest endorsement from you. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. Base your review and promotion of the product on your personal experience. If you have not tried the product yourself, ask someone who has to help you write a review. Look for comments and discussions about the product online. If you see a lot of negative impressions about the products, perhaps you should not promote it at all. As part of your internet marketing plan, consider including a surprise freebie with every purchase you ship out. This freebie need not be particularly valuable. It could be a branded promotional item or surplus inventory you need to get rid of. The surprise is the important thing. A surprise freebie will make customers think better of you and encourage them to come back and buy again. If profit is your goal, yet you don't have the investment potential to really place yourself in the pocket of a powerful company, then affiliate marketing will be the solution for you. It may not be an easy road, but use this advice and it will be a little smoother to travel. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.